You have a ton of tasks and just one day. How do you complete them all stress-free and productively? Today, I have 4 tasks of varying difficulty and importance. The key is that they will need to be done today. So, which one to start with? The hardest or the easiest? What do you think? Leave your answer in the comments. Okay, here is the strategy. Using Scrum in my daily work, I've implemented a system for assessing task difficulty based on the Fibonacci sequence. So in my case, I've determined 1 task at 1 story point, 2 at 2 story points each, and 1 at 5 story points. After determining the task complexity, I've applied do the hardest task first strategy known as the Eat That Frog method. If you are unfamiliar with this strategy, be sure to read Brian Tracy's book Eat That Frog. It's an amazing book. Anyway, this strategy suggests starting with the hardest task, which in my case is the one worth 5 story points because it requires the most energy, focus, and time. Tackling it first thing in the morning boosts overall productivity. And why? Because mornings are when you are freshest and finishing that monster gives you momentum for the rest. Then tackle the 2 story point tasks and finally the easy 1 story point task. This order saves energy and reduces stress. In Scrum, all these tasks are located in your sprint backlog. Use a tool like Jira or Trello to manage your sprint backlog. Prioritize tasks by story points, as I did, using relative sizing based on the Fibonacci sequence instead of time estimates. It really works. If you want to master user stories and productivity, check out the link to my course in the video description to become even more productive.